this is Margarita from Go Dominican Life. Today I'm taking you to the outskirts of Sosua and I'm going to show you a few beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartments. They're in walking distance from the ocean and from a lot of amenities like restaurants, gym and everything. Come and have a look. So the units, they come unfurnished, but you can get them furnished to your own taste for an affordable budget. So you know what is left to do. You have to give us our like, subscribe, click on the link here below for more information, and don't forget to share with all of your friends. Bye!